Hello?
Yes, hello. Good morning. You're live on air.
Hello, good morning, Kuya.
Yes, good
Happy
morning.
New Year.
Happy New Year. Apo, kasta kaririing mo pala ading.
Nakaidapay lang, Kuya.
Ayan, okay. Ading Michaela is from Italy. So, mabalimunti ko mablaaw. In Italy man ading, kaya may mga gano kasunod ti Italy. Ayan, tata.
Diyos ko, madi, kablaawak ko mamano, mamin nga pamilya nga dito Pilipinas, kanamin matun nga listeners TFDD. Felice Anno Nuovo.
Wow,
Ano kayo sa wana jay manang?
Felici,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Ay.
Oh.
Felici?
Felice Anno Nuovo.
Ano novo? New Year adya. Ano novo? Oh,
Ano novo?
Felici. Kasla siya alada dya Felix sa ano...
Ano bo?
Ano po?
Ano ba?
And of course, mga kablaawan, dagi tayo miyembros ti FDD family nga close mo ito tanga kanito. O dagi tayo lang.
Singayan, nagadudang
Sa bagay, adudang matgamit.
Mabaling nga, hangko masagsagay sa okay. I-try ko.
Aji, kakaudyan latan nga nakachat mo.
Happy New Year aming FDD family. Nang nangaro na kayo ni Insan Eileen,
When?
Flora,
Uh-huh.
Venus Mendaros, ni Sister Angie,
Uh-huh.
ni Kuyang Julito,
When? Ang kapuspusay lang
ni
tayo,
Manang
Father.
Felicia,
Mhm.
sino pa?
Di man ang Esther, ang
Obvio,
mulipatan.
baka ni Manang Esther Caliboso. When baka damdama ka umuli man nanti kayon.
When.
Pa ito tinaadugan han ko
Manang Marieta, of course, ni Ading Lina.
Marie Calabo.
Mm.
Yes, Sister Lina, no, kumasar ka katwahang ka nga makpalilipat mo. Then, nagadu aming members di FDD Hong Kong chapter.
Of course.
Hanggang amamusuda mamin, pero Happy New Year kada kayo mamin.
Okay, and ano request mo, Ading?
No mabalin ko mamanong aji perfect.
Okay, sige, kansyon may data perfect. Itatan nga kanito. Ayan, kabutan New Year. And once again,
Okay, thank you.
Felicia,
Felicia
Ano nuovo.
Ano nuovo kayong ka-ading and to your family.
Okay.
And that's it. And thank you very much for calling. Dating araw din. Sunata nga request mo. Amok nga inidip mo mutan.
Huwag garod.
Ayan, amok nga
Mga manong pa-request man dati kanta nga duwa ko
na.
Usong, sagot ko para katagiti agdinding
Amok nga sasarakin na pa lang. Datay perfect nga agbalin nga couple na ni Ading Mika. So, dahito yan. Balong.
I found the love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite favorite song. When you said you look a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found the love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I hate fate in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.